infinite power.
Morning everybody and welcome to Sketch Build Ride. I'm Sunny here and today we are here in Pune with all these beautiful babes behind me. The Piston 12 Club. We are going to Lonavala today. This is the first meetup and you've got these two Mustangs behind me. This one's got a Borla, so I would like to hear the Borla please. It's gonna go mad. Let's just start with the drive and I'll see you guys en route. Taken a break here en route the highway. We just stopped at the Shell petrol pump. Behind me is this beautiful R8 V10 Plus. We have a lot of Mustangs. It's more like a Mustang drive today that we're having. That's an R8 right there. Good yellow Mustang. The Supra. And the CDR there. Stop at the toll and look at all these beautiful cars here. We've got an E63 AMG, the SLC. We got loads of Mustangs here. You see one red, another red. There's one yellow one incoming. That's a Z4 there. And this Mustang here is the most special one here because this got carbon fiber, as you can see. My favorite, you all know that. It's got even a lip spoiler here which is in carbon fiber. That's Dhanraj and his CDR.
Taking care of all the people with my
all the cars you see here shining, they're all detailed at his place called Shine Inc. And they use Nanolex products.
Thanks a lot.
Another Mustang there with a Bola kit.
And the Supra is coming.
Supra, I'll just show you the Supra, wait. Alright guys, so we just stopped here at Sheetal Dhaba. It's been a mad ride till here. We've been going around at pretty high speeds. The Mini Cooper there, the Mustang GT. This has got a Borla exhaust kit, so it's super loud. I'll show you our... There's the X6 there, the BMW X6, which is our Marshall car for today. That's Marzan. It's all his idea here, all this madness. Piston 12, that's his idea and that's his car. Alright, so Marzan just got in the car right now. He's gonna show them who's the daddy. Alright, so we just got done with the food. Now it's time to head back to Pune. It's been a really wonderful drive. Right now I'm sitting inside this very special car that we have here. So all you Fast and Furious fans and even Need for Speed game fans, this is the Toyota Supra. And as you can see, it's a complete driver's car, you know. It's got this fin behind, lot of downforce, a kitted proper drag car, you know. And out of all the cars we had today, we had Mustangs, we had the R8, we had a John Cooper Works, we have a GLS, a lot of other cars. I think this is my personal favorite. This is the best driver's cars around. Alright guys, so we're just heading back now, back to Pune. It was a very awesome drive that we had, and right now I'm in the Mini Cooper John Cooper Works, and with me here is my friend Ronak, who's driving this car. And so this car here, it's small in size but it's a beast. It is amazing. I mean, it's just small, nimble, running around, and really fun to drive, you know. We'll be just cutting this car around on the express when it's real fun. Alright guys, so I've just come back home. The drive was amazing. The first drive of the Piston 12 Supercar Club was just great. The coordination, the way the convoy drove, the food at Sheetal the Dhaba, it was all organized really well, and it was just amazing. We had a blast. We had the Mustangs, we had the AMGs, we had an Audi R8, we had the Toyota Supra, we had the Z4, we had a Mini Cooper John Cooper Works. So we had a lot of cars, you know, and the way the convoy drove, it was amazing. It was really well coordinated. And so there's a lot of interesting stuff coming up. I hope you liked this video. So there's much more incoming, trust me on that. The next video that I'm gonna upload, you're gonna go, oh my god, on that. So those of you who guessed it, hold your breath. There's gonna be something even more insane coming up. And do follow the Piston 12 Club on Instagram and Facebook. We've just created the accounts. It's a club we just started, but there's a lot of stuff happening. There's a lot of stuff coming up, so do follow them. Do follow to my Instagram and Facebook channels. If you have anything to ask, you can just message me there, or you can put up your questions in the comment section below. And yes, as always, I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll just end this video with one saying, which I always say: do what your heart beats for. Ciao.